We've got the staple of TMG pits here, the old Copperhead 52, guys. Rolling out shop today. This one going on my man Spencer, and he's got a sharp setup here, so let's check her out. Now, as you can notice, it is on our off-road package. We got some upgraded wheels and tires from our guys mods down in Texas. First time we've done this stealth blue color. Looks slick, guys. Y'all knocked it out of the park with that one. Now, he did upgrade on the front shelf situation. Normally, you'd have the old wire mesh shelf. Hey, there ain't nothing wrong with the wire mesh shelf, all right? Besides, it gets rusty, it's hard to clean. Looks like you built it in your backyard. It's all good, guys. But stainless steel, on the other hand, that's where it's at. Easy to clean, not gonna rust up on you. Still got your paper towel utensil holder as well. Copper accents as far as the eye can see, guys. That's why we call it the Copperhead, right? Makes sense. Now that is our octagon smoke chamber. We have a lot of different sizes of it. This is a 52 by 24. Couple advantages to the octagon, guys. For those of y'all that ain't too good at your geometry, there's more volume in an octagon than a circle. What that means in smoker terms, more room, baby. So we got more room between our two grates, and our top grate is bigger. So you got plenty of room in this smoker. This is a reverse flow pit, so we've got removable plates down here. That directs the heat all the way across and then back out of the stack. TMG pits tail tube thermometers, one on each side of the door there as well. Come around to the firebox. Now this unit got our insulated firebox. Still have our fire management cradle in there as well. D-ring tie downs on all four corners, gonna make it easy to tie down on a trailer. So guys, that is Spencer's Copperhead 52 rolling out the shop today. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.